So the answer scheme for additional maths. Let's drink the coffee first. For the September online exam, test is a test, right? Actually, this test consists of 10 questions that I test for all the Form 5 topic, inclusive of circular measure, definite integration, normal distribution. Integration is reversing process of differentiation, trigonometric function and equation. Permutation with condition, trigonometric function, binomial distribution, and kinematic motion. Okay, so consists of 10 questions. So right now I would like to discuss with you one by one. Alright, so let's get started with discussing of the marking scheme for additional maths for paper 1 by me. Enjoy my class. So just to share with you the journey to score A+ is you keep on practice. Keep on practice. There's no other way. Experience more mistakes, okay? The more mistakes you make now, the better you are, because you know why? Because when you make mistake, you are actually gaining the experience. So make sure the mistake happen before exam, okay? With a consistent practice, I'm sure you are heading to get A+. So this is a journey for you to get A+. It's not easy, so you must keep on practice. Remember my advice, mistakes is a collection of the experiences, right? Okay, so it's okay you fail for the first time, but not repeating the failure, okay? Okay, so today I just want to tell you, never give up for additional maths. Even though you fail, you got single digit or you got very low marks, is okay right now. Right now, you must do some changes. Keep on practice. So today I will share with you the exam paper and the answer scheme. So let's get started now. Have fun. So the first question is quite simple, right? It's a circular measure. So let's go through the question. Diagram 1 shows two arcs, AC and BD of a circle with center O, and then OAB and OCD are straight line. Meaning that, okay, we are having the straight line here, OAB, and the OCD are here, right? So basically, when you want to do question like this, you must know that this is a sector, right? So we have an arc length here. So we always find out the arc length, and then we will highlight using the color pencil like this. This is the arc length with a corresponding radius. Okay, so now what the question say, OA was given equal to OC here, 8 cm, right? And the length of arc AC is 6 cm. So immediately we will think of S equal to R theta. This is the S equal to R theta, right? So you are given the arc length here. This is the arc length, alright? So when you use arc length formula, please bear in mind that this theta must be in radian. So it's very simple, the angle in radian. So you just write 3/4 radian or 0.75 radian for the first question. It's very simple. You don't have to convert to degree, okay? It's just a fraction or maybe decimal is equal to 3/4 rad. No degree, yeah? Okay, for the B, perimeter of ABCD. Okay, perimeter of ABCD is quite straightforward question. So they give you OA equal to ratio OB is 2 to 3. OA is ratio 2, right? Let me highlight to you. This is a ratio 2. If 2 equal to 8, OA ratio to OB. See, you're not OB. Where is the OB? The OB, okay, let me highlight to you. The OB is here. I'm going to use a blue one. Let's see. This is a OB. If 8 is a ratio 2, what about 3? You should know that you have to times 4 here. So you have to times 4, isn't it? So it should be 12, right? Okay, some of you forgotten the ratio. That's why you cannot do, right? 3 times 4 is 12. So that means this part is only 4 here. I'm going to change the color. 4. This is 4. The whole thing is 12, right? Okay, so then what we are going to do is, we know that this one is 4. This one is 4, right? 4. So how to find the arc length here? The arc length here is, let me highlight to you in yellow color. Okay, I'm going to find everything in yellow color, like this. So let's find this arc length. One of the arc length was given, so you don't have to find. This one was 6. This one we have to use S equal to R theta. So what's the R? R of course is 6, right? 6 times with the 6. We already got the we have already got the 12 here, right? It's 12 times with the 6 over 8. So that means you want to find this arc length. This one, let me highlight to you this arc length. You just use the S equal to R theta. S equal to R theta. R is 8 plus 4 is 12. Theta is 3 over 4, right? So you simplify, you get 9. Okay? So you will get 9. So here is 9. So here 4. Here 6. So the answer is just simple. It's very simple, 23. Okay? So perimeter is for the OA, for ABDC is just plus everything. So you take 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 4. So the perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6. So it's actually is 8 plus 50, 23, right? The answer is 23, right? So the first question is very simple, right? A was 2 marks. So if you separate the function -3, 1 from here, fx dx minus 2 integrate -3 to 1, 2x dx equal to 14, you will get 1 mark here, right? Separate the two functions. And then after that, you integrate you bring over, integrate from -3 to 1 to x dx, right? If you successfully integrate like this, you will write plus 2x squared over 2 from -3 to 1. So you integrate, so it's 14. Simplify this one, you will get 1 mark if you integrate. And then you will substitute 1 square minus -3 square. Okay, when you substitute, you simplify, you get 14 plus 1 minus 9, which is 14 minus 8. So the answer will be 6, right? So from here you have 6, then you have to multiply by. So it's either you do until here or here, you get 1 mark. Then you start, if you times 2, because the question is asking integrate from -3 to 1 for 2 times of the fx dx. 2 times. So you have to take 2 times 6. So the answer is 12. So you get another 1 mark, alright? Okay, so that there are 2 marks for that, for part A. And if for part B, you integrate from negative 3 to 4 to fx and then dx, you have to separate out first, right? For the 3, you separate with the same limit, right? So I already informed you, we must do separation. So is 2, these 2 can be factorized out, the 2. We prefer to take out these 2, right? Why we need to take out the 2? Because if you not take out the 2, it will be very troublesome. So we take out the 2. We don't have integrate from negative 3 to 4, you know, but we have negative 3 to 1 fx dx, and we have another one, right? You look at the question, they gave you another one. Let's see what the question gave. So what they gave you is actually to hint you to use it. They give you 1 to 4. That means you have to use a 1 to 4, right? So this integrate 1 to 4 fx dx, we are going to use it now. So plus integrate 1 to 4 fx dx, right? Okay, so since we are taking out the 2, these 2, so according to the question here, they give you only 1 time, so we can times 2, right? It becomes 14. So I can make it double. All right, you can always times 2, the value will be double. Why I need to do so? You will wonder why. Because I want to join the limit. Okay, minus this thing still there. Negative 3, 4, 3 dx still there. This thing. Okay, you see, I'm going to show you I can factorize. Alright, the 2. So inside the bracket will be integrate from negative 3 to 1 fx dx plus integrate from 1 to 4 fx dx. Okay, and then minus integrate from negative 3, 4, 3 dx. Right, so after you simplify, you will apply one of the important rules whereby the upper limit is here, and upper and lower you can join them, so it becomes negative 3, 4 fx dx, right? Okay, then you will have to integrate this one later on. Okay, so how to get this value, right? How to get this value, this one. Alright, so in order to get this value, is the same that you substitute. This is 6, right? This is 7. So it will be 2 times 6 plus 7. Alright, join the limit. This one, I think majority of you forgot. Right, 2 times 6 plus 7. Or you can write separately 2 times 6 plus 2 times 7. Then this one you need to integrate from the negative 3 to 4. Make sure there is an x here. Right, so the answer that you got will be 2 times 13 minus 3 times 4 minus 3 times negative 3. So the answer will be 26 minus 12. 12 minus 9 will be minus and minus here. Be careful. Okay, here is negative and negative. So is 21. So the answer is 5, right? So the answer is 5. So how we give mark is if you separate out the function, you get 1 mark, right? If you integrate and then got 6, then you take 6 times 2, you get another 1 mark. And then for this one is a bit challenging. For this integrate from negative 3 to 4, you have to do like that. You must have 26. All right, 2 times 6 plus 2 times 7 minus 21, then you get 5. Okay, there's another 3 marks there. Okay, so I will share with you another few more questions in my next video sharing. So today I just share 2 questions. Bye bye and
난 아주 trendy하지만 너만의 이야기가 있어 너를 내게 말해줘 I'm just tryna love you better So many stars like a big universe 별빛이 담긴 길거리들 꺼내고 싶어 너와 둘이서 Fall in love with the city 매일 새로운 느낌이 yeah. C-E-L-O-V-E come right with me I'm a city love yeah. C-E-L-O-V-E come right with me I'm a city love You're so different 누구와도 비교할 수 없는 개성이 있어 그래서 어디서나 받지도 영어린 시선 무엇을 하든 top class 너는 남기지 이름 쉽게 만족 못해 널 향해 보다 더 위를 You take it higher back to sun 어떤 일을 하든 최선 다해 100% yeah. 어렵게 찾은 너는 내 사랑이구나 이리 와서 업고 놀자 함께 사랑갈 부르자 꼭 잡은 두 손에 너와 나의 true romance 흩어져 있어도 같은 마음 Soul is the name so it lives in my heart yeah 꼭 잡은 두 손에 너와 나의 true romance 흩어져 있어도 같은 마음 Soul is the name so it lives in my heart yeah